So I think what we're gonna do, I could go almost any direction, but I think we're gonna walk this direction. Kind of walk into the people a little bit. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm gonna start at this Thai restaurant, and then behind me I have some pretty cool stuff behind me, so we're just gonna film this little park. Got all kinds of interesting stuff everywhere here, and the lighting is just about right. So this little garden, and then to this left, this building is some kind of it's also marked as some kind of cool thing. Let me just see if we can find it. Let's see. So yeah, this building is just kind of cool looking in general. There's our Thai restaurant, there's a little garden. And we're just gonna walk into the middle part, and then we can film all around us. This is what you find in a Macau vending machine, by the way. Or all these kind of Japanese stuff. This is like a whole Japanese vending machine. You got little Pocky, you have this, you have, okay. So this one is this beautiful space. That says 1925. And I have filmed in here before, so maybe you remember that I have. Oh man, that's kind of cool, way up there in that thing. So today we're just going to focus on this little strip of buildings from this particular angle. So so we have, I couldn't even tell you what the names of these are, but some of them are museums. You can see some people actively in some of them. I think there's a parking garage below us. Let's just see what this is. I don't know what it is. Probably people park below and then they can bring up their goods, because they also use this on weekends sometimes, and they'll put little, like a little, well, whatever they're trying to do, right? Some kind of festival. Okay. So yeah, this is a great place for kids to play. And this building is lit up, but not all of them are. But that one is. I think some of them are like a museum. So I think this one might be public library, Central Biblioteca Central, Central Library. And let's see what else we got around here. This is Gia Hill, way up there, up on the top there. It's Gia Hill. That's a lighthouse. I've been up there a long time ago. I haven't been up there in quite a while. Probably should. Then you got these kind of cool looking buildings. So so I think what we're gonna do, I could go almost any direction, but I think we're gonna walk this direction. Kind of walk into the people a little bit, and then there's all the signs. So okay. Anyways, you got a pretty good sense of this anyways, so maybe I'll just get a little bit closer to some of these windows and you can see the details of them. There we go, this is the Central Library. Okay, so there you go. Make a comment, let me know what kind of stuff you want to see. Yeah.